Okay, this is going to be one of the fastest Chef Klark shows you've ever seen. Hey, we're going to build the perfect chili dog right now. We've already grilled up some chili dogs, or some hot dogs on our flat grill over there, which works perfect for this, okay? Now, what I like to do in making these, I like to put a line of ketchup. Come on, ketchup, let's go. There you go. Right down the middle. Or down the side, it really don't matter. Just put it on there, that's all you gotta do, right? And now we're going to take some mustard. This is delicious Kroger brand mustard. Bought at Kroger, yeah. I like to put some mustard down like so. Okay? Then comes the fun part. Oh my God, this chili is amazing, and you can find it on my YouTube channel, the recipe for it. We're going to put it on there. I like to put plenty on there. And we're going to eat the rest of this bowl of chili as the side item for this dish here. Okay, nice. Nice chili dog. Now, here's what I like to use. Colby Jack cheese, okay? So wonderful. Bought a great big pound bag of it the other day because I go through it quite a bit. As you can see, I've got my effects pedal sitting over there. See, and it's even on. It's ready to go because I'm going to do some guitar playing here in a little bit. Now we're going to, after the Colby Jack, and all that. Now we're going to put some diced onion that I diced last night right on the top like so. I love diced onion, especially on chili dogs, okay? All right, yum, yum. This one's for the puppy, okay, yeah. This is the puppy's hot dog, which I give him after bed. Now we're going to take a little bit of this Colby Jack and we're going to take and put it over the top of our bowl of chili. Just like that, okay? Oh my God. Great chili dogs. It's going to be a nice comfort food meal here. I was going to do some French fries too, maybe, but I think this will be plenty enough to eat here, yeah, by the time I get done with it, so. Puppy will be in here in a minute. As soon as he understands that I'm eating, he'll come diving off the bed, come running in here, and then I'll just feed him the hot dog a little at a time. What kills me is how a little teeny chihuahua that you can hold in your hand can eat a hot dog that big. You go, my God, where do you put it, dog? Hot dog. Where do you put it, dog? Oh, God. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start eating this. Last night I had the same thing, and it was just taste explosion big time. I just loved it. So we're going to do that one more time because we're trying to get rid of the rest of the chili I made, the batch of chili. So, hell yeah. So we're going to do that. I'm going to eat chili dogs 2 nights in a row, and that kind of wipes me out of hot dogs. I got one left that I'll use sometime during the week, but it's okay. It's okay. I like to put a little char on mine. I don't know about you, but I like to put a little bit of that tasty char on them, okay? So, there you go. Chef Klark's ultimate chili dogs, okay? So easy to make. Just make sure and check out my YouTube video on the New Mexico style chili. And then you'll learn how to make this to put on those, okay? It's just that easy, just that simple. Okay, well, we're going to play the Mighty Gibson after we eat because it's home now, and I'm going to play it for a little bit once. And everybody have a great evening. Take care. And thanks for going, KADJ TV.